One of the most common questions new traders ask is, should I backtest my strategy first, or should I forward test it? At first, it sounds like you have to choose one or the other, but the truth is, you need both, because each one answers a completely different question. In this video, I'll explain the difference between backtesting and forward testing, when you should use each one, and why skipping either step can cost you time, money, and confidence as a trader. Let's start with backtesting. Backtesting is the process of testing a trading strategy using historical market data. Instead of risking real money, you're able to go back in time and see how your strategy would have performed under real market conditions. Inside First Look Labs, simply choose a currency pair from your watch list. Open the chart. Select the historical period you want to test. Then start replay mode. From that point forward, the market unfolds one candle at a time, just as it would if you were trading live. This removes hindsight bias and creates a much more realistic testing environment. As each candle forms, you're looking for your trading setup. When your setup appears, you enter the trade according to your predefined rules. Set your entry, define your stop loss, choose your take profit, then allow the market to determine the outcome. After each completed trade, First Look Labs automatically records the result. Over time, this allows you to answer important questions like, how often does the strategy win? What's the average reward to risk ratio? How many losing trades happen in a row? Can the strategy remain profitable over a large number of trades? These aren't guesses, they're backed by real data. And because you're using historical market data, you can test months or even years of price action in a relatively short amount of time. That's why backtesting is one of the fastest ways to evaluate a trading idea. Now let's talk about forward testing. Forward testing means taking that exact same strategy and applying it in live market conditions. Most traders do this using a demo account or with a very small amount of real money. Unlike backtesting, you can't speed the market up. You have to wait for trading opportunities to appear naturally. That means forward testing takes much longer. But it also teaches you something that backtesting never can. It tests the trader. So, which one should come first? The answer is simple: backtesting. There's very little reason to spend weeks or even months forward testing a strategy that has never shown an edge in historical data. Instead, start by proving the strategy first. Inside First Look Labs, simply log in. Choose a currency pair, open the chart, start replay mode, and begin building a meaningful sample of historical trades. Once you've collected enough data, review your statistics. If the numbers suggest your strategy has a genuine edge, then move on to forward testing. Now trade the exact same strategy without changing your rules. Don't change your entries. Don't move your stop loss. Don't invent new rules halfway through. Your goal now isn't to improve the strategy. Your goal is to prove that you can execute it consistently under live market conditions. If you can do that, you've completed both stages of the testing process. Think of it this way: backtesting validates the strategy. Forward testing validates the trader. One proves the numbers, the other proves the discipline. If you skip backtesting, you could waste months testing a strategy that never had a real edge. If you skip forward testing, you might discover too late that emotions stop you from following an otherwise profitable system. The most prepared traders don't choose between backtesting and forward testing. They use both as part of the same structured process. Start by proving your strategy with historical market data. Then prove that you can execute it consistently in live market conditions. When you combine both, you give yourself the strongest possible foundation before risking real money. Test first. Trade with confidence. That's the advantage of following a structured process with First Look Labs.